Here's a 2019 Honda CR-V. Welcome to what feels like home. It's sleek looking, fuel efficient, and roomy enough for family and cargo. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Auto dimming rearview mirror, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, continuously variable automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, doors and push button start proximity key, AM/FM satellite radio, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.